This is the hard disk. Wait, terabyte. Recommended for surveillance recording. You can hear the beeping sound indicating that there is no hard disk in the NVR. Yes. First step is you switch off the
socket.
You switch off the NVR.
Yeah.
Then you open the screws. The NVR. This is NVR.
Yes.
You open the screws. Slide it backward. These are the cables inserted. This NVR is a 16 channel, can carry up to 2 hard disks. These are SATA cables, these are power cables, and these are data cables, meaning it can carry 2 hard disks, but it can power 2 hard disks. We are going to insert one hard disk, 8 terabyte. Just choose any. That is the power cable, and from there you can choose any of the 2 SATA cable or the data cables for powering the hard disk. The hard disk is already powered. So the other step is we are going to mount the hard disk on the NVR using these screws. They comes 2 sets, that is 4 pieces each for each and every hard disk. These are the mounting screws. They normally comes with the NVR, whichever kind of the NVR. After that, press back the cover. You can power it on and continue. After doing that, you can see that the no hard disk sign on the top left corner has disappeared. Hard disk is functioning. You go to storage. You go to disk manager. You can see that our hard disk is saying the status is normal 7.2, meaning that is an 8 GB at 8 GB. So to check whether the camera is recording, so we quickly go to search, and then when you see this bluish color, it means that our hard disk is properly recording. Our memory is properly working, our hard disk. So the way we check it is go to main menu, or go to search automatically, select the cameras you want, and then ensure that there's a blue color on this line of time, meaning that the cameras are recording. The cameras are working well and the hard disk is working well. This is Straight Home. This is Straight Home Electricals. Make sure you like and subscribe and push a notification button to continue following us for more and similar videos concerning your tech requirement at your home. Bye.